dear viewers of Mtatu's TV, welcome again to our favorite channel. Today I'm going to teach you about approximation of whole numbers. Today we are going to discuss about the approximation of whole numbers. Tunaenda kujifunza kuhusiana na approximations of whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers, these are numbers starting from 0 up to infinity. So we are going to see how to approximate those numbers. So now, first of all, before jumping into approximation, we are supposed to know the rules of approximation. The first one, there are two rules actually regarding this issue of approximation. There are two rules which are very important for pupils to understand. Ipo sheria mbili tu ambazo mwanafunzi anapaswa kuzijua. If the digit light, you only want to approximate number, first of all, you need to identify the digit to be approximated and the digit which is light of the digit to be approximated. If the digit light to the digit to be approximated is less than 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, add 0 to the digit to be approximated and replace the other remaining digit with 0. This is rule number 1. Manake anasema kwamba katika hii sheria ya kwanza anasema kwamba kama ile digit ambayo iko upande wa kulia wa digit ambayo inatakiwa iwe approximated, kama digit hiyo upande wa kulia mwa digit ambayo inatakiwa iwe approximated iko pungufu ya 5, yani manake ni 0, 1, 2, 3 mpaka 4, basi unaongeza 0, unaongeza 0 katika digit hiyo ambayo inatakiwa uiapproximate, na zile digit nyingine za kulia zinazobaki zitakuwa 0. That is rule number 1. Rule number 2, if the digit light to the digit to be approximated is 5 or greater than 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, add 1 to the digit to be approximated and replace the other remaining digit with 0. Sheria ya pili inasema kwamba kama digit ya upande wa kulia, digit ambayo iko upande wa kulia wa digit ambayo inatakiwa iwe approximated, kama hiyo digit ya upande wa kulia ni 5 au greater than 5 au ni kubwa kuliko 5, maana yake hiyo digit inaweza ikawa 5, 6, 7, 8 na 9, basi tunaongeza 1 katika ile digit ambayo tunataka kuiapproximate na zile digit nyingine zinakuwa 0. Sasa let us see that are the rules. Hizo zilikuwa ni sheria. So now you are supposed to know that tunatakiwa ujue kwamba the digit which is to be approximated is the one which is in the place value which is to be approximated. Kwamba digit ambayo inatakiwa kuwa approximated ni ile ambayo inakuwa katika place value ya digit ambayo inatakiwa, the one which is in place value. Kwamba digit ambayo unatakiwa approximate ni ile digit ambayo inakuwa katika place value ile ambayo umeambiwa approximate. Kwa mfano, approximate 12,345 to the nearest hundreds. So here you have to identify which digit is to be approximated. The digit here the digit which is to be approximated is digit 3. Kwa sababu you have asked the question said approximate 12,345 to the nearest 100. So the digit here which is to be approximated is digit 3 because it is the one which is in place value of hundreds. So the digit which is to be approximated is the one which is the place value you have been asked to approximate to. So here the digit to be approximated is 3 and the digit which is light to the digit to be approximated is digit 4. Kwa hiyo hapa sasa digit ambayo unatakiwa uiapproximate wewe kwenye mamia yaliyokuwa karibu ni namba 3, na digit ambayo ipo upande wa kulia wa digit hii namba 3 ni digit namba 4. Kwa hiyo utafuata sheria kwa kuangalia, je, hii digit namba 4 is it greater than, ni kwamba ni kubwa kuliko 5 au pungufu ya 5. Kwa kama itakuwa kubwa kuliko 5, basi utaongeza 1 kwenye 3 kama sheria inaposema, na kama itakuwa ni pungufu ya 5, basi utaongeza 0 kwenye hiyo 3. Sasa now let us jump to the example number 1. The example number 1, the question is that approximate 3,678,954 to the nearest 10,000. So we are required to approximate this number to nearest 10,000. So we are given that number, so we need to approximate it to nearest 10,000. So what are we supposed to do? Then we are supposed here to count the place value of each digit until we reach to the digit which is in 10,000 place value. So we're starting with 4. Now we're starting with the leftmost part here. This is ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 10,000. So the digit which is in 10,000 is digit 7. So we say that here the digit which is in the light to be which is light to the digit of the digit to be approximated is 8, which is greater than 5. So we add 1 to the digit which is to be approximated, which is 7. So now we know that the digit which is to be approximated is digit 7. So we look the digit light to the digit to be approximated, and that is 8. So we are asking ourselves, is 80 greater than 5 or less than 5? What does the rule says? If the digit is greater than 5, then we have to add 1 to the digit which is to be approximated. So we have to, since 8 is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to 7 and make it 8. So our answer will be this one, 3,680,080. So that will be our answer. So we have approximated that number to nearest 10,000. So hapa sasa tume approximate katika 10,000, maana katika maelfu 10,000 yaliyo karibu, maelfu 10 yaliyo karibu, maana yake maelfu 10 zimekuwa karibu hapo, ambayo hapa kitu cha kwanza lazima uangalie digit ambayo ipo katika 10,000 ni digit gani. Bila shaka ni digit namba 7, kwa sababu unajua ku count place value. Kwa hiyo number 7 there is the digit which ni digit ambayo ipo katika 10,000. 10,000 iko katika place value ya 10,000 katika sehemu ya 10,000, sehemu ya namba ambayo ni 10,000. Kwa hiyo hapo sasa unaangalia digit ya kulia yake ambayo ni namba 8. Hii 8 ni greater than 5 or less than 5? Kwa vile 8 ni greater than 5, kwa hiyo tunajumlisha 1 katika 7 na inaifanya inakuwa 8. Hivyo jibu lako linakuwa 1,03,680,000. Hizo digit nyingine za kulia zote zinakuwa 0 kama tulivyoona kwenye sheria. Example number 2, pia tumepewa approximate 8,954,331 to the nearest 1,000. Hapa tunatakiwa ku approximate hiyo namba katika nearest 1,000 solution. So we are given that number, we are asked to approximate it to nearest 1,000. So how will we do? First of all, we have to identify the digit which is to be approximated. The digit which is to be approximated here is 4. The digit here which is to be approximated, the digit which is to be approximated here is what? The digit 4. Yeah, the digit 4. So we look at the digit, we look at the light digit, we look at the digit which is light to the digit to be approximated, and that is 3. So 3 is less than 5. So therefore we add 0 to 4 and make it as and remain at it. So the answer will be 8,954,000. 8,954,000. So our answer will be like that one, because here 3 is less than 5, so it will not change number 4. so the 4 it will be as it is, and the remaining digit will be replaced by 0. Kwa hiyo hapa sasa jibu letu litakuwa ni kama hivyo, ni 8,954,000, kwa sababu na digit ambayo tunatakiwa tu approximate ni digit namba 4. Namba 4 ukiangalia digit ya kulia yake ni namba 3. Sasa 3 ni pungufu ya 5, kwa hiyo haina uwezo wa kuibadilisha 4. Kwa hiyo tunajumlisha 0 kwenye 4. Kwa hiyo ukichukua 4 jumlisha 0 unabaki ile 4. Kwa hiyo zile digit nyingine zile za upande wa kulia zinabadilika, zote zinakuwa 0. Ndio kama hapo tuliona kwenye mfano wetu huu. Nadhani hapo ninaeleweka, kwa sababu sheria zile ndo zinatuongoza. Ukishaelewa kule sheria, basi huku mambo mengine yote yanakuwa rahisi. Let us see example number 3. Approximate 197,324 to the nearest 10,000. Tunatakiwa tu approximate hiyo katika nearest 10,000. Sasa hapa, in order to approximate, then we have to identify the digit which is to be approximated. So from our question there, we see that the digit which is to be approximated is digit 9, because it is the one which is the tens, it is the one which is 10,000 place value. 9 is in place value of 10,000. So number 9 there is the one which is to be approximated. So we look the digit right to the digit to be approximated, which is 7. And we ask ourselves, is 7 less than 5 or greater than 5? So 7 is greater than 5. So therefore we have to add 1 to 9. So if 9 you add 1, if in 9 plus 1 you will get 10. So how will you write this number? Will you write 10 as it is and 1? No. So you write 0 and you carry that 1 and you're going to add it to another number to the right of it, or to the left of it. So therefore we write 0 and then we add 1 to another 1 there, making it 2. So our answer will be 200,000. So here the digit to be approximated is so if we add 1 to 9, it will be 10. Thus we will have to carry 1 and add it to the left digit of the approximated digit, and that left digit is 1. So 1 plus 1 you get 2. So thus this number to the nearest 10, to the nearest 10,000, it will be 200. It will be 200,000. It will be 200,000. Let me change here. Here to the nearest nearest 10,000 will be that one. So these are 3 examples. So I have given you some test yourself exercise. Test yourself exercise. If you want to test yourself, you have to do this question. Do this question in order to test yourself if you have understood them or not. And if after doing it, then take them to your mathematical teacher at your school, and then he or she will mark it for you. Thank you very much for listening, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can be the first one to get the notification of the new uploaded video to this channel. It is very important for you to subscribe and to press the bell sign so that you know you get all the notification of the new uploaded video. Karibuni sana, asanteni sana, and have a nice